Good evening, my friends. Myself Satyam Misra, and here I am going to make another video of direct indirect. So in this video, I will tell you all the detailed of interrogative sentence. Means how you will be able to change any direct speech of interrogative sentence from direct to indirect. So 2-3 things are very important which you have to remember. First one, you should know that this said to means reporting verb said to is going to be changed in asked in interrogative sentence, and as well as we have to write if or whether at the place where we are going to remove comma, inverted comma before reported speech. And one more important thing, that we will use this if or whether only at that place where the sentence is going to begin with helping verb. If we are seeing that the question is going to start with question word, then there will be no need to write if or whether at the place of comma, inverted comma. There, this question word will be the same as a connecting word. Let's see. He said to me, this is a reporting verb, and while you are going to change this, so this said to is going to be changed in asked. So it will be he asked. Then we will write this object at the same place, and here you are seeing that the question reported speech has started with question word, so there is no need to write if or whether. So this question is going to be connected with this where word. Then we have to make this interrogative sentence in assertive. Suppose this is you and this is second person. So as you know that there is one rule SON by 1, 2, 3, where first person is going to change according to the subject and second person is going to change according to the object. So here you is second person and this is going to change according to the object of reporting verb. So in object this me is in first person and this you is in subjective case. So what will be the subjective case of me? It will change in I. And then you are seeing that this is in past. This is in present simple, so it is going to be changed in past simple. And in past simple, you know that main verb second form is going to use. So it will be changed in lived. So where I live. So this is he asked me where I live. Another you can see, here we are going to write this said to is going to be changed in asked. Then we will write this me as an object here. Then in the same way you will write who as a connecting word. Then this interrogative is going to be changed in assertive. So you is what? Second person. Second person according to the object of reporting verb. So it will change in I. And then this present simple helping verb is going to change in past simple. So who I was. It is clear. Then let's see in another sentence. Ravi said to me. So what you will write? Ravi. Then this said to is going to be changed in asked. Then we will write this me at the same place. Then we have to write here if or whether at the place of comma, inverted comma, because this is what? This is helping verb. So this is helping verb. So here we can write if or whether. What you can remember. Then this you is going to change according to this you is going to change. As I was telling you, this said to is going to be changed in asked, and this me is going to be keep at the same way because this is the object of reporting verb. Then here you are seeing that have is helping verb, and when the sentence is going to begin with helping verb, there we have to write either if or whether as a connecting word. Then this interrogative sentence will change in assertive. So you is second person and this is going to change according to the object, second person according to the object, and it will change in I because you is in subjective case, so me will change in subjective case. Here you are seeing that have is there, it means this is in present perfect, so it is going to be changed in past perfect, and you know that helping verb of past perfect is had. Then this finished will be in the same way, I had finished. And after that you are seeing that this your is in second person according to object, object is me, so what will be the possessive case of me? So possessive case of me will be changed in my, so my, and then the last word homework. So this was related. Next, let's see, teacher said to the student, Why have they not done their work? Simply try to understand. Teacher will be at the same place. Then this set 2 is going to be changed in asked. Then we will write here the students and an object. Then you are seeing that this question begin with question word. So this why will be at the same place, and then this sentence is going to change in assertive. So what you will write, they is third person and third person no change. Third person no change. So it will be same. Why they? And then here you are saying have is there means present perfect helping verb. It is going to be changed in past perfect. Why they had not? Then you will write done, and this there is third person, so there will be no change there, and this work will be same. One more and the last sentence. After this second kinds of direct, indirect, interrogative sentence will be complete, and we will see the next topic of direct, indirect in another video. So let's see. Ram said to Hari, so it is going to be changed in Ram, then said to change in asked, and then we will write Hari as an object here. And you are seeing that this will is helping verb. It means here we are going to write if or whether at the place of connecting word. Either if or whether. Then you will change this sentence in assertive. So you is going to change according to object. Object is Hari. So it is going to be changed in he. Whether he. Then this will is going to be changed in would. He would. Then go. Then to. Then school. And as you know that today is going to be changed in that day. So here I tell you all the detail regarding interrogative sentence, how it can change from direct to indirect. If you are thinking these videos are very helpful to you, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.